In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Analytics 4 reporting directly into Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to keep your data organized and accessible all in one place. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to pull your key metrics and dimensions from Google Analytics into a Google Sheet, making it easier to analyze and share your data. To kick things off, let's open up Google Sheets. This is where all the magic will happen. Once you have your sheet open, you'll want to navigate to the top menu. There, you'll spot a tab labeled Extensions. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is a hub of useful tools that can enhance your Google Sheets experience. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar to look for Google Analytics. What you're looking for is the official add-on, so make sure you select that one to install. This add-on is crucial because it serves as the bridge between Google Sheets and Google Analytics, allowing data to flow smoothly from one to the other. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. This process is fairly straightforward, but if you encounter any prompts relating to permissions, be sure to grant the necessary access so the add-on can function properly. After you've successfully installed the Google Analytics add-on, navigate back to the Extensions tab in your Google Sheets. This time, hover over Google Analytics and choose Create New Report from the options that appear. A sidebar will pop up on the right-hand side of your screen. Now it's time to select your Google Analytics 4 property. This is the specific set of data you want to access, so be sure you choose the right one. Below the property selection, you'll find sections for metrics and dimensions. Metrics are quantifiable measurements like users, sessions, conversions, and revenue. Dimensions, on the other hand, are attributes of your data, such as the date, source, slideshow medium, page title, and country. Selecting the right combination of metrics and dimensions is key to deriving meaningful insights, so take a moment to consider what data is most valuable to you. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Create Report. This action sets the parameters for what you'll be pulling into your Google Sheet, but we're not done just yet. We need to run the report to actually import the data. To do this, return to the Extensions menu once more, hover over Google Analytics, and click on Run Reports. This will execute the task and draw the data into your Google Sheet. With that, you've successfully set up a report to pull Google Analytics 4 data into Google Sheets. This setup is not only efficient, but also allows you the flexibility to update and manipulate data as needed. So, go ahead and explore your data, tweak your reports, and make the most of the insights you can gather. Happy analyzing!